One of the coolest ways of catching largemouth bass is catching them on swim baits. The lure of choice in today's video will be a 6-inch MC Swimmer swim bait on a size 7/0 Gamakatsu spring lock hook. How to rig. First step, you want to get that spring lock and twist it at the head of the swim bait, just like so. Twist it all the way so it feeds to the hook itself. So after putting the spring lock on with the swim bait, you want to get the tip of the hook and feed it through the belly and on top of the bait itself. Right dead in the center. Just like that. Making sure that the swim bait, the body, is still nice and straight and it's not crumpled up. And then the last step is basically hiding that tip of the hook in the swim bait itself. Because this swim bait is designed for weedless presentation. So if you're going through the weeds or through the grass, this rig is not going to get caught up. But then if a bass, one of the bigger bass, do bite, with the gentle pressure that the bass does eventually bite this swim bait, it's going to expose that hook for that hook set. There are an array of colors of this particular swim bait, and certain colors outperform others depending on the time of year. We are in winter season, which means all designated San Diego lakes are being stocked with rainbow trout. These stocked trout are easy prey with high nutrients that bass cannot resist. During this underwater scene, you can even see big bass chase schools of trout in hopes to catch the slow, lethargic ones. Even this scene, when I caught trout and put it on a stringer, big bass was poking out this trout to see if he can swallow it. In this picture, you can see bass markings, meaning this trout was in this bass's mouth, however, got away. Therefore, using any kind of trout imitation lure would be ideal. So in conclusion, I'll be using the Rainbow Trout Imitation Colored MC Swim Bait. If you like this video, please comment below. Let's get 300 likes on this video and I'll make another video just like this. Without further ado, let's get them. Got him. It's a nice one. In this cast to catch scene, it was very windy, so I will be voicing over. I casted this swim bait past this corner tulies, here, hoping to draw out any potential bass. Slow and steady retrieval rate to mimic a slow, lethargic trout seems to be the ticket for triggering this bass to bite. In this last cast to catch scene, I was casting parallel to the tulies on the right, again trying to draw any potential bass from their environment. Keeping the swim bait low in the water column with a slow retrieval rate again was the ticket for this bass bite. To me, this bass was pretty decent. It's a big one, guys. Just a gorgeous bass. Beautiful. Gonna go ahead and release this girl. Beautiful bass. Just a healthy chunk. Alright, see ya, buddy. Another nice one on that swim bait. They're really liking that swim bait. This is probably 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. Let's actually get a measurement on this guy. Three point 75 pounds, give or take. Pretty good bass. Really nice bass. Chunky. Let's let him go. See you, buddy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate the positive vibes. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya. By the way, my baby was right there sleeping. Oh, while Daddy was filming. Her name is Alana.